Sorry about that, guys. And as I was saying, this is a thunderstorm, and yeah, there's a thunderstorm out at my house. Sorry about that. And I decided to show you guys. If you haven't seen the first one, it's really scary. There's this big lightning bolt. It's so cool. Just about the moment. I'm trying to get to the good spots where it all is. There's a few good spots out here and out there too. A little bit out there. It's getting really rainy. Whoa! Guys, see that light? Noise. Keep watching out here. Whoa, there's one out there. Big one out there. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, hear that, guys. Sorry about that pausing. I was moving around. You guys, if you can't really hear me, it's because of the rain. It's really loud. So I'm going to try and speak up. I'm just moving back towards the wall so I don't get wet. It's really noisy. And this is just for if the video ends, because I'm only making 2 parts because I'm getting wet out here. I'm just saying now goodbye because if my phone keeps running out, so I've got like all other stuff that I'm not putting on YouTube on here. Oh, just lots of lightning bolts. It's all moving over this way and stuff. It's all moving over these ways. So sorry guys about that if you can't see anything, but that other video was better. So yeah, sorry guys if you didn't see anything. Sorry, but you should go check out the first part if you haven't watched that yet. Oh, it was really good. You can see that light up then. It's really sick. Really noisy, guys. So sorry guys, I'm gonna have to end it here. I need to go inside. Everyone else has gone inside, so yeah. So I'm going inside now. It's getting a bit windy if you guys can't see. So yeah. Sorry about nothing in this part, but at least you get to see the cool stuff, eh? So all that matters is I'm making videos again. It's all that matters. And soon I'll be having a house tour of my place here. Then I'll be having a house tour of my new house that we're going to be at. So see you guys later. Bye!